Most beginners build their first stock watchlist based on hype and headlines. That is a recipe for losing money. There's a systematic way to do it, and it's faster than ever. Today, we're building your first professional-grade watchlist. We will use AI as our personal research analyst. The old advice was, invest in what you know. That's a good start, but it's too small. Your knowledge is limited. The market is vast. So let's use a tool that can process the entire market. Step 1. Define your universe. Don't just pick random stocks you've heard of. We need to find promising areas of the economy first. Open ChatGPT, Perplexity, or your favorite AI chat tool. Use this exact prompt. List the top 5 growing economic sectors for the next decade. For each sector, list 5 major publicly traded companies. Instantly, you have a list of 25 companies. These are not recommendations. This is a map based on broad trends, not today's hype. Step 2. Filter for quality. A famous company is not always a good investment. We need to check the fundamentals. This used to take hours of manual research. Now, it's a single prompt. Pick a company from your new list. Ask your AI this. For company name, what is its price to earnings ratio? What is its debt to equity ratio? And what was its revenue growth over the last 3 years? Then, add this critical instruction. Compare these numbers to its top 3 competitors. The AI is now doing the work of a junior analyst. It's not giving you an opinion. It's giving you data, in context. That context is everything. Repeat this process for 10 to 15 companies from your initial list. Keep the ones that look financially healthy compared to their peers. Step 3. Check for diversification. If your filtered list is 80% tech companies, it's fragile. Your watch list needs variety to be resilient. Let's use AI to check your work. Paste your list of 10 to 15 companies into the chat. Use this prompt. Group these companies by their GICS sector. Show the percentage of the list in each sector. If you see one sector dominating your list, you've identified a concentration risk. This isn't a failure. It's a data point. It tells you to go back and explore other sectors. A diversified watch list helps you spot opportunities everywhere. Step 4. Automate ongoing learning. A watch list is a living document, not a one-time project. Companies report new information every quarter. The old way was reading dense, 8,000-word reports. The new way is much smarter. Find the transcript of a company's latest earnings call. You can find these on their investor relations website. Paste the text into your AI tool. Prompt it. Summarize the key takeaways from this earnings call. Then ask, what were the most difficult questions from analysts? You are getting the core insights in seconds, not hours. This is how you stay informed without being overwhelmed. Now for the most important rule of all. A watch list is not a buy list. Read that again. This list is for watching and for learning. It is your educational sandbox. The goal is to understand the businesses you are following. This process replaces gambling on hype with systematic learning. And AI is the most powerful study partner ever created. Building a watch list is just step 1 in a real investing strategy. If you want the full blueprint from here, from opening the right account to analyzing your first investment, we built a complete, step-by-step guide for you. It's the same framework we've used to help thousands of new investors. It is completely free. Click the first link in the description to download the guide right now. And to get more actionable financial guides like this one, subscribe to the channel.